Hi everybody, welcome back to Vlogmas. Have you guys participated in Christmas cookie exchanges before? Well, I was invited to my very first one and I went. I was really excited about it, although I knew that I wasn't going to have time to actually bake anything this week to take. I do like to bake holiday cookies, but I just wasn't going to have time during the week before heading over to the exchange. My friend was very cool about it. Everybody's working, everybody's busy. She's like, bring something, buy something, just come on over. So that's what I did, sort of. Like I said, I knew I wasn't gonna have time to bake anything, so I did pick up something in the store, a holiday cookie that I actually had never seen before, so I thought it would be fun for us to try. It is a Pepperidge Farms Milano cookie. The flavor is amaretto hot cocoa. As you can see, this packet is still unopened because I forgot it. I totally left the house without it. Had the dish that I was gonna put them on, but I didn't have the cookies. As you will see, it was not a problem. There were many cookies baked and bought to participate in our first annual Christmas cookie exchange. But since I still have these unopened, I think I should try them now. So it looks like a regular Milano cookie, which I usually enjoy, but let's see about this amaretto hot cocoa flavor. If you like Milano cookies, you will like this. There's a little bit of a hot cocoa flavor to it. I really honestly don't taste the amaretto, but I guess that's a good thing. It's just another Milano cookie. But if you want to try, something a little more holiday inspired, granted, it probably goes really well with hot cocoa. That was tea that I was dunking in. I like them, but I like the regular Milanos better. My friend went all out with getting ready for this cookie exchange and made some fun purchases from Amazon, including these very cool glasses for us all to wear. Instead of hats, we had glasses. And she also got these boxes for us to be able to fill up our cookies in to take home. Now this was an adult only cookie exchange, but plenty of fun cookies to share and bring home to your family. We had a blast. It was really a lot of fun. I hope it's a new tradition for us that we will continue. And apparently Amazon has all kinds of stuff to help you make that cookie exchange even more fun. Okay. I'm not exactly sure what festive drink we're creating here.
It's gonna be great.
Ingredient 1 is champagne.
Yes.
I've never seen this kind of champagne bottle.
Oh yeah.
This cork. Just twist. And there's no pop.
What is going on
Oh,
here?
there was the pop.
It was kind of anticlimactic, so it was like a pop that was like wah wah wah.
Ingredient number 2.
It looks like a urine test.
What kind of operation you think I'm running here? Sierra Mist.
Sierra Mist. Yes.
trying
think
to.
we have enough juice.
And just grape juice? Is that white?
It is not. It's white grape with peach.
White grape with peach.
It's fancy.
It is fancy.
We'll have to taste.
Welcome to the cookie exchange. She's got welcome drinks, fun little wearables, and boxes to take home your cookies. Okay.
Well, let's drink.
This is not what I was expecting with a little, afternoon Christmas cookie exchange. You guys go all out.
Let's drink, man.
Go all out.
Hi. Hi, Tito. So much
They've
fun. We got food.
More drinks have shown up. Bloody Marys, some kind of chocolatey martini situation. Simple cookie exchange. Look at this spread.
Don't you know her?
I do.
She can't do anything
No, she really can't.
simple or
No.
boring or normal.
We're doing it or we're doing it.
Yes.
Yeah.